In the first step, obtain the following items. In our second step, we will be removing the push handle. We will do this by first removing a bolt under the car. This is done using an offset screwdriver provided and a wrench or pliers. Once this is done, fully remove the bolt. Be sure not to lose the nut. Turn the car over and then pull out the handle. In the third step, we will be removing the undercarriage. First, you will need to turn the car over and then remove the 2 screws from under the wheels using the offset screwdriver. Remember, counterclockwise loosens the screw. You will then remove 6 exposed screws using a regular Phillips screwdriver. Once you have removed all 6 screws, then remove the undercarriage. In step 4, we will be putting the seatbelt over the pegs. Place the loop of the seatbelt over the 2 pegs. In step 5, we will be pushing the seatbelt through the seat. This is done by first pulling up on the seat and then carefully pushing through the seatbelt. Make sure that the seatbelt is fully through the seat. You will then push the seat back onto the 4 red bosses. Place your hand on the seat and then turn the car over. Pull on the seatbelt straps to make sure that they are nice and tight. In step 6, we will be replacing the undercarriage. This time, we will first replace the 6 exposed screws. Once that is done, you will then replace the screws underneath the wheels. Remember that clockwise tightens the screw. In step 7, we will be pulling through the center strap. Feed the center strap through the span between the car seat and the foot tray. Once this is done, we can then buckle the seatbelt. The 2 side straps buckle into the center strap. Finally, in step 8, we will be replacing the handle. It is important that the handle is oriented the way shown. And here is another view of the orientation of the handle. Next, line up the handle properly, then push through the bolt. Tighten the nut. Then use an offset screwdriver and a pliers or wrench to tighten. We're done! Remember, at all times securely fasten both waist straps to the center strap.